Hi all, I'm Age, welcome to Liquid Earth. Today we're going to edit a picture with the Quentin Tarantino Pulp Fiction effect. You'll notice in the film that the colours have a great pop and there's good saturation. The fine detail has a little bit of contrast in it and the black levels are solid. Some of the dominant colours in the film are the oranges, yellows and reds. So let's get going with this image. First thing we're going to do is go into our light, add a little bit of exposure, so we're going to go to plus 23. A little bit of contrast, that's going to be plus 8. Bring the highlights down to minus 5. Shadows up to plus 6. I'm going to add some whites in, so we're going to go plus 6 on our whites, and then we're going to make our blacks a bit deeper by going minus 6. Now go into the curves. It's the icon at the top. Go into the RGB first of all, tap to add 3 points, and then we're going to build a small S curve to create some contrast to the image. So just manipulate your points roughly to where I have here. And the film also has some nice warm tones, so go into the red channel, place a point in the center, and we're going to just very slightly increase the reds for the mid-tones, which is the center spot, and then press done. Next go into the color, and then we're going to add some vibrance to the image. So go up to plus 24, and then go into the mix. And let's start with the reds. So with the reds, we're going to bring the reds into the oranges. Saturation up just a tad to plus 6. And then we're going to add some luminance to plus 21. Go into the oranges, and then we're going to bring more reds into the oranges, so hue of minus 21, a little bit of saturation to plus 8, and again we're going to increase our luminance to plus 16. In the yellows we're going to go into the oranges to minus 29 on the hue. Next on the greens, with the hue go to plus 13, saturation to down minus 6, and luminance up to plus 20. Skip the aquas, but going to the blue, and then we're going to increase our hue to plus 23, saturation to plus 13, and luminance to plus 15. And then we're not going to touch the purple or magenta. Press done. Next in the effects, we're going to add some texture to our image, just a little bit, so plus 9, and we're going to pump the clarity up to plus 26. Click the split tone in, and then so just in the highlights, pull the saturation up to plus 6 and a hue of 36, and then press done. Next up is the detail. We're going to add some sharpening, so we're going to go up to plus 71, and the masking we're going to go up to plus 48. And then you can press the image to see the before and release to see the after. Now we can save that as a preset. To do that, press the 3 little dots, that's the settings, and choose create preset. Give your preset a name, then press the tick. Now that's created in user presets. Now we can go to another image. Let's choose this one, and then to apply the presets, choose the 2 little circle icons. Navigate to where you've saved the preset. If you haven't saved it, it will be in your user presets. Pulp Fiction. Just press, we can apply the preset. And that's it. Well, that's it guys, thanks for watching. Give me the thumbs up if that was useful. Subscribe if you want to see more of these types of presets. I'm posting them every week, plus lots of other photo and video tutorials and gear. Thanks again, I hope to see you next time. Take care.